Hello guys, today's a very, very nasty day. As you can see, my horse is dripping wet and so muddy and soaked because of this. It's like raining tremendously today. I don't know why the sky, you can't see it, but you can tell on the mud. It's really raining. And she's soaked. Look, she's dripping. She's dripping. She's wet. So, I guess I won't be grooming you today because you're too wet. And you would just get wet again. Even your legs. Just yucky. And I had to pick waterproof shoes. That was very smart. Yep, waterproof shoes for mud. So my feet are a little muddy and wet inside right now. But my boots are too small. So sad that they're too small. So I'm trying to find new ones that aren't over $200. Those were only like 80 or maybe 60, I don't remember, but they're too small now, so I can't really wear them. And I had rain boots with horses all over them, but they were $20 from Tractor Supply, and they lasted a year, and then they just started breaking and breaking, and they don't really protect your feet from a horse stepping on your feet anyway. But at least I had something for the mud, but I couldn't take them inside, so they froze and they kept cracking, and yeah. I just don't want to pay so much money for the good kind, you know. But I'll eventually get some. I'll have to have some, or at least wear my tight ones, because I'm going to be doing horse riding lessons soon. The reason I really want to do them is because I want to learn jumping and running real fast and doing all that fun stuff, but I can't really do that on this horse because she's not trained. You know, I can't really jump her yet. She's not trained yet, so I'm working on her, and she's learned a lot. She used to just take off running when you get on her, but she quit that. She listens good with the bridle, and she'll go up to a trot, but if you try to canter, she'll like jerk to the side, try to bite you. She don't like cantering with you on her. So when I do canter, it's fun, because it's a lot smoother than trotting. So, yep, when I do horse lessons, I'm going to try to get my mom to film me so I can post it. So, we called the woman yesterday, but she answered her phone in the middle of a lesson. So she said, can I call you back because I'm in the middle of a lesson? So that was 2 days ago, and she hasn't called back yet. So I'm trying to get my mom to call her back again, because it's easy to find Western horse riding lessons where I'm at, but not English. And I want English because I'm more into English stuff than Western stuff. Although Western is really cool and fancy, and I like it. I actually have a Western saddle that does not fit her back. It's her size, but her back just don't fit. So, yep, I want to get into jumping and cross country and all that fun stuff. So, I just need to get a trained horse to do it on. So, I don't have much land either to ride around like that. I only got 1 acre, so I mean it's enough to gallop, but I can't like stay at a gallop. I have to slow down and turn around probably. And today it's super muddy outside. Really, really muddy. So, I'm not going to ride her today. Only because she's wet. I've ridden her in the mud and rain before. And I went on an hour-long trail ride before. Not on sugar, but on a ranch horse. In the rain. Cold rain. So nothing will stop me from riding a horse. I mean, if I can ride an hour and 30 minutes straight in frosty wind and rain with my mom, then yeah, I can ride on a wet horse too, but I'm not going to. Probably won't feel good. She just eats out of a wagon. And she's tracking mud inside the barn. At least she's using her salt lick. And I probably don't have to worry about filling her water up. It's pretty full. Yeah. You're all wet. Are you all wet? Look at your face. You're all wet. Why don't you stay in the barn? Guess you like the rain. Yeah? You like the rain? So, whenever I do horse riding lessons, which I will call back today, I will call back and schedule a day. And hoping that it won't rain that day, so we'll have to schedule a nice day to go. And I'll definitely video that and take pictures of the horse and post it all. And yep. So that's all I wanted to show you, was how muddy my horse is and how muddy and wet and mucky and wet it is outside, and my waterproof shoes that are useless right now. Very, very useless. So, and I have 2 buckets because I don't know if you saw my last video or not when I went to feed her, or I don't know if I uploaded it or not, but I took a video and I forgot my bucket, and I left it in here on that, so I had nowhere to bring her food out, so I had to go back here and sadly disappoint Sugar because she thought I had food, but I didn't. So now I've got an emergency bucket, which is the white one. I'm going to be taking them both back now. And the emergency bucket seems to help, because I don't know why, but I keep leaving it in here. Silly. Am I silly? Yeah, look at that. When you get wet, you get this pattern going. At least you're dry way underneath here. Where is it? At least you're dry way under there. Hey, you're not even muddy. I mean, look. It's wet. Oh, you shook your mane. Man. Got me wet now. Well, I'm already wet from walking through it, but get your ears. It's so wet. Oh, maybe it'll dry soon. Tomorrow or something. I heard it's supposed to rain all day. Like I need more mud here. Man. You see all her hoof prints. Let me just try to film a little bit of this. So that's the whole way that way. And that's the whole way that way. If we look around the corner, as you can see, my entire yard is muddy. Entire yard. Oh, Sugar. Oh. Why'd you have to fart? Jeez. Man. Sugar. Oh. Get over here. Oh. If y'all have a horse, you know what horse fart smells like. Ugh. I just had a big whiff of that. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. Oh, I also got a new brush. And it bends so I can do around her legs with it bending. And it's a new one. It's not so messed up. See, this one, I had this one on my old pony. You can see it sticks out all over the place. It's really old. And this one I got from a yard sale, so it's been on other horses. I mean, yes, I washed it, of course. Like fleas or something. But you see it's really worn out too. So I got me a new one. So I'm going to keep those because my friends might come over one day and we'll all drink sugar at the same time again. Sorry about my clearing my throat thing here. Allergies all year long for me. Bright sugar all year. What are you doing? Like I itch? Here, I can itch it. I can scratch that. You're welcome. You got mud on me. See, I risked my fingernails to get a scratch for you. It's just still dripping wet. Ooh, I get to try this out. What is it? I've never given her a bath yet. I mean, I've given her a small one, but I've never gotten to use my sweat scraper I bought. So I'm gonna try this. And you can't really see on that side. Okay, let's see. So I hold it up here. Shitter's not so sure about this. It is wet. I guess it only works if your horse is drenched wet, not like damp like this. Try right here. Ah, that worked. Well, yeah, I guess that only works when she's soaking wet, not just wet. Like after a bath wet. Or a really long ride, sweaty wet. Well, I guess I'll end this video now. I showed a little more than what I was wanting to. So, yep. Please subscribe to this channel. I really want more subscribers. I really want 1,000 just so I can post on this channel instead of using my other channel to post for this one. That would really be nice, but I doubt I'll ever get that. Yeah, doubt I'll ever get that because this channel is not that interesting yet anyway. I'm trying different things, and maybe I'll get more subscribers when I get a helmet camera and actually ride around with the helmet camera. So, but I'm definitely looking for a helmet camera. I keep looking online to see if there's a cheap one, or not cheap one, but not one that's $1,000. I want one that's just good enough to take a video on. Oh man, I just want one so I can film me on Shittery and film me at horse lesson place. So. That would be cool, wouldn't it, Sugar? Well, bye, wet, muddy horse. I'm going to go inside and dry myself off and probably take a shower because now I'm all muddy, too. And I'll eat breakfast because I feed you before I even eat. And it's Sunday, so I don't have school. And I don't know what else I do. Probably play on the Wii. Or the DS or the iPad or phone. I don't know. I have so many games, I don't know what to play. I mean, it's just me here. So, well, not just me here, you know what I mean? Probably just me as the kid here. I'm the only kid here. Well, teen. I have a little brother in there. But he has a chromosome disorder, so he can't really play like I do. Can't really play video games like that, so basically it is just me playing games, so. You're spilling it! What are you spilling it for? I wonder where Shadow is. I usually use it back here with me. You were spilling it. Yeah. I don't know if you've seen it or not, but I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to end this video, but I keep thinking of things to say. One more thing. I am teaching Sugar how to pucker her front lip up. I don't know if you've seen that or not, but I went to a horse ranch one time, and the woman, all she had to do was do this. Go like that, point at the horse's face, and the horse would lift her front lip up. And she told me how she did it, so I'm trying to do that. She's half done, I think, halfway through learning it. But she told me if you get a horse treat, and well, she's eating it right now, she probably won't care. But if you hold it in your hand like this, hold it in your hand so they can see it and smell it, and then do like that at their lip. Usually they try to get to it and they'll go up. I don't know why, but I say go up. I don't know why I say that when I do it. Here, Sugar. Treat. I want to show everyone. Want it? She'd rather have alfalfa pellets and oats and corn and sweet feed rather than tasty mint treat. Here. You want it? Okay, you just want to eat it. Well, I'll take a video of that another day when it's not so yucky out. Ooh, it stopped raining. Okay, where are my buckets? It quit raining for a second. Yay! Can actually walk out here. Oh, it's still sprinkling, but better than it was. It's pouring badly. Ugh. Lock. Bye! Ugh. Luckily, my dad put these out for me. Man, I'm gonna find my shadow. Probably. Wait. He ain't over there. Ah, man. My feet. I just stepped on the ground. Oh. Ugh. Okay. Emergency bucket. Yep, I rode her the other day, so I used my bridle. Oh. Okay, now I have to go find my cat. Could be on the front porch. Maybe in the doghouse. I did not want to walk under this. Shadow! Oh, no. Oh. Okay. Gonna have to cover up my headphone plug area so I don't get water in it. Shadow! Where are you? I don't see him. He's not in his bed. Okay. I don't know where he would be at. Shadow! Come here, kitty! Where are you? Aha! I found Squeaky and Shadow. Hello. I just knew you'd be in here. I know my kittens. Kitties, that is. Now let me come around. Okay. Hello. Kind of blurry. Hello. Cute. Okay, now climb up here. Oh. Okay. Hey, Squeaky. You mama cat. My little shadow boy. Yeah. Aw. Aren't you two so cute? I got a picture. I did. Adorable. Got water on my phone. Yay. Cute. Ooh, it's yawn. I am like in a position here. Man. I was looking for you. I found you. Yes, I found you guys. Yeah. Yep. Ooh, yawning. Ooh, you need more cat food. That's all that's left in here. Okay. I'll be back, okay? I'll be back. You don't have to get up. Ugh. Just put my back against the wet wall. I'd rather go this way. We took down the fence right here. Not took it down, but pulled it back because I had to get back here with the truck. Ugh. It's so funny how my cats take over every single video. I keep the bowl full because cats are smart enough to not eat the whole thing. So I just fill that bowl up. Hang on a second. Okay. I basically keep the bowl full and it lasts a couple weeks. So, well, I've got 2 bowls, so it lasts a couple weeks. And, okay, they're still in there. I got your food. Ugh. Okay. Sand and mud and mess. Hello. Okay. There we go. And usually they hide down in there too, in that hole. Hey, Squeaky. If you don't know why I named her Squeaky, it's because when she meows, she goes, me, me. She doesn't really meow, she just squeaks. She's so cute though, hey cutie. She's not all that sweet sometimes. Ah, the water. Keep touching this and water comes off it. Let's go inside. My little shadow, look at him. Hey, Squeaky. You're so hairy. You're a hairy cat. Aw, you're being sweet right now. Yay. She's a biter. She likes to bite. She actually bit my dad, and her teeth went through his thumbnail, and he had 2 little holes on his thumb. So, she ain't that nice. She ain't that all that nice. But look at her. Oh. She don't like her sides touched either. She's picky. Hey, little boy. Yes, you're a cutie. Sweet. Oh. You and Mittens are just the best cats I ever had. Okay. Yeah, I got your food down there. How did you know what I said? Ah, stupid water. Okay, this might be loud for a second. I'm gonna have to barge this thing shut. There we go. Sorry, I had to shut that. Hey, little kitten. Hey, little kitty boy. Oh, belly. Look at your belly. He likes his belly scratched. He's silly. Yeah. Usually cats don't like that. At least mine, anyway. Okay. Oh, so I'm gonna have to go inside because I'm getting all wet. And this video is 3 times as long as I wanted it. Man. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video now, and I hope that you guys watch my videos because I really would appreciate that. My cute little shadow. Yeah. He's a cutie. He's so sweet. So, bye, Shadow. Bye, Squeaky. Oh, you're right in my camera. Okay, and bye to my muddy horseway over there. Oh. It's a crazy muddy day. Everywhere is just mud. Ick. So, Bye, guys, and please subscribe.